How are you guys doing today? This is Felonious Bitcoin here. My name is Matt. I'm coming at you guys with another update for my Candid Co clear aligner treatment. I'm on trays number 9 and I'm switching up to trays number 10 tonight on camera just for you. You're the best audience anyone could ever ask for, and thank every one of you guys for watching. Seriously, from the bottom of my heart, I'm thanking every one of you guys for watching my videos, so thank you. So before I get to switching out my trays, I just want to go over a couple of things. The first thing is I'm doing the silver giveaway tonight with pretty much everybody that has commented on my previous video. A chance to win an ounce of silver, which I don't know if you guys got a chance to watch that, but if you didn't, the link down below where I pretty much talk about it, and you know, I let people know that on this video that I'm making right now, that, you know, all the people that commented on it, that they are getting their name entered into my hat for a chance to win an ounce of silver. So I just also too want to go over like pretty much like how this last 2 weeks has been, my confidence, my personality changes that have been made, things like that. So really quickly, I've noticed that my confidence is obviously up. It's been like night and day change, guys. I cannot say enough good things about these aligners and how they've changed my life. You know what I mean? Candid Co, I want to thank them again. So thank you guys at Candid Co, every single one of you guys. You guys have the perfect business model, and I can't ask for more from a company like that. I mean, you guys have really been completely professional this whole entire process, and I really, really appreciate it. So I just also want to tell you guys that, you know, you guys are the best audience. You know what I mean? I'm not going to stop saying that. You guys are great. I thank every single one of you guys personally for watching my videos. So I thank every single one of you guys. If you guys comment on my videos, I'll be sure to you know, leave feedback. You know what I mean? I read all your comments. So you guys are really special to me. You really are, because you make my videos possible. You guys give me the encouragement to, you know, want to make these videos, you know? So thank you guys, seriously. So the ounce of silver that I'll be giving away, not just yet, it is from the Royal Canadian Mint, and hold on a second. It's from the Royal Canadian Mint, and it looks like this. It's got a picture of Queen Elizabeth on one side, and it's got a maple leaf on the other side. It's 0.9999 purity silver, and it's a 2019 coin from the Royal Canadian Mint. So that's pure silver, and when I pull the name out of the hat, that's going to be it. There's not going to be any other names after that. So, you know, cross your fingers to hear your name, and good luck to every single one of you guys. I also wanted to talk about, I just also wanted to talk to you guys about my confidence. It's gone up crazy amounts. My personality has gotten so much better. My habits have been improving as far as like eating crap, things like that. And, you know, I can't say enough good things about this. I mean, it's been really smooth. Honestly, it's been the greatest journey of my life, and I can't stop thanking you guys and Candid for everything that's been possible for me. So again, thank every one of you guys from the bottom of my heart. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to email me, message me, whatever. And if you guys are interested in keeping track of my previous videos, or like, you know, checking out how bad my teeth were before this, check out the links below in the description. I'm going to leave a link to all the previous videos that I've made in the past. That way you guys can check them out and, you know, track my progress. That way you guys can, like, you know, see what you can expect. You can, you know, manage your expectations, so to speak. And it's nothing short of miraculous, if you want my honest opinion. So there's that. I've pretty much said that in all my videos. You guys, I mean, I almost can't leave my house, okay? That's how bad it is. But Besides that, here's the number 10. Here's the number 10 trays. Right, they're in the bag, right there. You guys can see all that, and I'm gonna take them out right now so you guys can check them out. But I'm also gonna show you guys my teeth with the number 9 set of trays in, so that way you can see how straight they are with the trays in right now. And then I'll get to switching them out. So here we are in just a sec. Here's the number 10 set of trays right here, right? I hope that's showing up clear, but if it's not, just let me know. I mean, look at that. You know what I mean? That's only the 10th set, and I still have 4 more to go after that. That's the bottom set of trays, by the way. Here's the top set. Right, look at that. You know, nice and straight. You know, seriously, guys, I am so happy with my, you know, my journey. I'm so happy with everything. I couldn't ask for more. I couldn't ask for anything better because this is phenomenal. It really is. So real quick, here's my teeth with the trays in, guys. So that's my teeth with the trays in. I'm gonna take them out right now, and I'm gonna switch them out for the number 10 set of trays. Wish me luck. I don't think I'll really need it because my last set wasn't even that bad, you know what I mean? So I'm pretty much looking forward to this now. So I'm gonna take these out right now, so bear with me. Here's my teeth without the trays in. So that's my teeth without the trays in. I hope you guys are, you know, enjoying my progress as always. And, you know, you guys can count on me making more videos as I progress. And I would really appreciate it if you guys keep track. So here we are with the number 10 set of trays, right? I'm going to put in the bottom set right now. Again, here's the bottom set. Right? There's not really much of a difference between the two. It's very slight, but they're more straight, obviously, on these ones, right? So I'm gonna put these in right now, and you know, hopefully there's no pain. So here we go. Oh yeah, there's pressure in there. Wow. There's some pressure in there. Tell you guys that. So that's my teeth with the bottom set. I'm going to do the top set right now. And in case you guys are wondering, you can bite your teeth together. It's not going to break the trays or anything like that. It's very flexible material. It's called Zendora, and it's made by like a third-party company that, you know, Candid Co uses. So you might want to check them out if you guys want to look into the safety or, you know, what kind of material it's made out of. It's polyurethane and it's medical grade, in case you guys want to skip over Googling it. I've already done all the legwork on that. So if you guys are curious, or if you guys have any questions about anything regarding Candid Co's treatment plan, their orthodontist, their business model, anything like that, their pricing, please feel free to reach out to me or Candid directly. I'm sure they'd be more than happy to answer any questions that you guys have. They're very diligent for every one of their customers or potential customers. It doesn't really matter. So again, I'm going to be taking your names out of my hat here in just a minute for this ounce of silver. For, you know, this is my appreciation for you guys checking out my videos, staying tuned, and commenting, you know what I mean? This is how people learn. You know, you got to keep on top of these things. This is pretty important, you know what I mean? Especially if you guys have plans for the future to, you know, straighten your teeth, or if you want a better chance at a good job. People are going to check out within the first 5 seconds of meeting a person, the first thing they're going to see is your teeth. And they can judge a lot, you know, I hate to say it, but people do judge books by their covers, as far as like appearance goes, you know what I mean? People with straighter teeth generally get better jobs, they get better pay, you know, people are more personable towards them. So, and your confidence is a key to all of that. So if you guys have confidence and you have looks and you have straight teeth, you guys can pretty much get whatever you want out of life. I mean, I know it's really superficial to say that, but you know, that is the way it is, and that's the way it has been for a while now. I mean, when things change, I'll stop saying that, but right now, people really haven't changed all that much. So anyways, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go put your names into the hat. Before I do that, I'm gonna show you guys all the names. That way you know you all have an equal shot here. So hold on a minute. How you guys doing? I'm back again. I really quickly wrote down everybody's names on a piece of paper that commented on my last video. That way you guys have a chance to win an ounce of silver. So real quick, here's the silver, here's the names, right? I'm going to take my hat off. So get ready. I'm going to put each name into the hat, right? I want you guys to be able to see it. All right, so the first name is Candid Co because they commented, so there's that. Beth Barnes. This thing's not focusing too well. All right, Beth Barnes. Code Williams. I think that's how I'd say it. I don't know. Too close to the camera. All right, Code Williams. Emma F. Patricia Perez. Nathan Azinski. Lovey Cook. ZZ Tops. I think that's right. ZZ Tabs. Sorry, my bad. ZZ Tabs. Shara Elise. Louis Pina. Bobby Brown. Whoop. Ripster. Juvifer Lopez, or Jennifer Lopez, I don't know if that's supposed to be, and then Jules, okay? So all the names are in my hat. I'm gonna do this fair and square. I'm gonna shuffle it up as much as possible. That way, you know, there's no like question. All the pieces of paper are of equal size, so nobody has a chance of winning more than another person. Sorry, one of the names fell out. Okay, so here we go. Drum roll. Alright, here we go. This is the one. Patricia Perez is the winner. So congratulations, Patricia, you won an ounce of silver. If you want, oh, I'm holding it backwards, my bad. So if you want the ounce of silver, please email me. My email is going to be down in the description. And you can either have it shipped to a P.O. box or your address or a friend's address. It doesn't really matter. But I just want to thank everybody that commented real quick, because you guys are fantastic. I love you guys. And again, seriously, you guys make my videos possible, and I can't stop thanking you guys. You guys are the best. But real quick before I go, here's the silver again, Patricia. Thank you for commenting. Congratulations for winning an ounce of silver. I hope you don't sell it, because one day it's probably going to be worth a lot more than it is now. So hold on to it, okay? But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. And if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, anything like that, please feel free to email me, and I will get back to you as soon as I possibly can. But again, you guys can check out my previous videos if you like to track my progress and see how I've done so far. Please check out the links below to all the other videos. And I'm going to also leave a link to the Candid Co website down in the description, along with a coupon code that will give any potential new customers or new clients of Candid 25% off their impression kit. That way you guys don't have to pay full price, and that should be a pretty damn good savings. But again, this is Felonious Bitcoin, and I really appreciate you guys. Real quick before I go, I'm going to just show you guys my teeth again. Trays number 10. Now, for everyone out there that didn't believe these worked, I mean, you guys can see the proof in my face, right? I mean, unless I'm going crazy, my teeth are pretty straight now compared to what they were back in December, right? So check out that video and compare it to these ones, you know what I mean? Pause that video where I show my teeth, and then pause this video where I show my teeth, like the bottom set, and then compare them next to each other. You guys are gonna be blown away, I'm telling you. So thank you guys once again for commenting on my videos. Thanks again for your interest in my progress. And thank you guys. Have a great night. And this is Felonious Bitcoin here. God bless every single one of you. Brother, it's caught in the crossfire.